Hello everyone and welcome to Cruising Essentials Part 2. The video was going a little long and I'll go ahead and link that over here so you can see the first video, but I'm going to move on past that. In the first video, I talked about bringing in your portable charger and some other items for the restroom. So we're going to start off with something that is really important. While there is a medical crew on the ship, you don't want to have to go to them or to the stores to go get anything. Like it's 3 times what you would pay on land, I kid you not. So what I do is I go to the 99-cent store once again and pick up a first aid kit. Now I don't pick it up for what's inside, I pick it up for the box. So I will get several of them because over time they get nasty, dirty, broken, lost, whatever. So I'll pick up maybe 4 and keep them for a while. And then what I do is I put in there stuff that I already have around my house. You have a certain type of band-aid you like. I have these that are antibacterial, alcohol pads, different size bandages that are like these, which are like the butterfly bandages. I know you can't really tell, but that's what I pack in here. Little travel size container of Neosporin, things like that, because I don't want to have to go and, if one of my kids get a cut or something, or my husband gets a cut, which can happen honestly on dry land, then I have my own first aid kit already packed. I don't have to worry about it. Okay, the next thing, moving on, is all of your medications. Now I do have some allergy prone people, so I will bring a full bottle of allergy relief depending on how long it's going to take. And because we're not going to be gone that long, and typically it's not the brand that we really use, and I don't want to have any issues with any brands, so this is what it is. Another thing that we pack when it comes to our medications is a pill bottle. So you can do it a lot of different ways. I just happen to like the round option right here, and so I will mark it with what each thing is for. So in here we have some gas medicine, and then so that would be the pink ones, the giant pink ones, gas medicine, and these are daily vitamins. And then these little green ones, they are what does it say? I think these are a different type of gas medicine. So one is chewable, one is not. These are vitamins. And then we have a whole box of patches, Dramamine patches, because I have one family member who gets car sick, and so being seasick on a cruise is not going to be fun. So we make sure we pack the Dramamine patches, and they have been using them. They said they work fine. As a matter of fact, let me show them to you. Okay, so I'm back, and she said they work really well. These came from Amazon, and I will link them below. She's been car sick her whole life. We do a lot of traveling between where we live to Las Vegas to other points north and south in California, because clearly we live in California if you haven't figured that out. We do live in California, so we travel north, south, east, west in California, neighboring states, a lot of driving. We usually give her Dramamine, but we didn't want to do that on a boat. So just wanted to give her something that she didn't have to worry about for 3 days. I never leave without a full bottle of Tylenol, because you never know what might happen. You never know. On our first cruise together, my husband unfortunately ended up with a sty. I don't know where, just a sty, sties or whatever, but it was so big and he was in pain, and I had no pain medicine. I had nothing, and I had to pay for that. So Tylenol never leaves my bag. One of the final things I'm gonna talk about here is this lovely waterproof holder. Now I got 3 of these for like $15 on Amazon. Again, I'll link it below. This is one, I love the way it connects right here. And I'll put up some video, because we did take video and pictures of once we first got them to try them to make sure that they are waterproof. Yes, we did use one of our real phones, and yes, it was fine. But kind of cheated because we used a phone that was kind of waterproof, just in case it wasn't fine. But there was no water down in there, so we're good. So as you see, I just unhooked that, and then on the inside, my fingers to work right, is zip locked, and it seals really well, and it fits a pretty big size phone. We have to get it because one of the kids have a larger phone than the rest of us. So again, snaps closed. You can see the snaps here. All you do, I'm gonna do it this way, is you pull it out, pull it on the other side, open it up, And like I said, it created a waterproof seal. So this is great. So when you're in the pool, you don't have to worry about leaving your stuff and being concerned that somebody might pick up your stuff or might, I don't know, whatever you might be concerned about. So those are our essentials those are our essentials for packing when you're traveling on a cruise. If you can think of anything, let me know. I mean, I don't do the whole, and I'm gonna tell you, there's a lot of people out there on YouTube who talk about all of these hooks and all this other stuff. Look, man, I don't need a whole bunch of hooks in my room. I don't need a whole bunch of stuff hanging up and bumping into it and stuff. I understand if you want to get super organized and organize your whole day, that's up to you. But for me, we like to cruise and do what we want to when we want to. So we just look at it and go. So having all of that is not necessary. But if you want to, you can get magnetized hooks to hang up these, like to put your sell and sign card in and stuff like that. That's totally up to you. Alrighty. So thank you very much for looking at watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy any of the content thus far on my channel. Our next video will be packing for the cruise and preparing for the cruise for a cruise for the last minute. And I think I'm going to put out another video regarding some of the things that have been going on with Carnival, because I'm not very happy with it. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. My phone is going down. I just put it in. I don't have my phone in my pocket. Let's put it in the
Yeah.
As long as you took the air out and you still did properly, your phone is fine.